want to show you something, the power of the psalmist. We're going to... Why do you want him to play in C? Because that's what the Lord said. Tell him to play in C, and then he's going to play something different in a moment for the next healing. And then he's going to play something different for the next healing. And you're going to play something different, and you're going to play something different for each and every healing. And we're going to watch it just come through the instrument. Did you have pain tonight? Check in and see if that pain is still there, if there's any change. It's what? It's a little different. How much different? Little different, or significantly different? Significantly different. Okay, if you don't know what the word significance means, let's put it in just layman. A whole lot. Yours is better? It's loose. Very good. All right, let's thank the Lord for that. That's just the first. It's the first. Now, there's a hip. What? It's all gone. Test it and check it and see what you got.
I can actually bend it. I was kind of limping on it, but now it's like a week.
A week?
Yeah.
You've been limping on it? That one's not. I can't. You've been limping on it for a week?
Yes. And I thought it was just the shoes, but I think it was just my ankle.
But now?
And now it's only like a small, underneath my arch. It's just a slight pain, but it's almost
Okay, lift
gone.
your hands up, close your eyes. Just give me a couple cracks.